Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Now firstly, I'd like to apologise for not keeping up with all the comments that you've left on the built-in obsolescence videos and other videos I've done recently. And that's because I'm taking a couple of weeks out for myself while I'm actually going down to Portugal. I'm actually going to be doing a lot of filming in Portugal over the next month or so. And I've brought the camper down with me, and it's got all my tools in the holding lockers underneath. Now, any of you that followed my look at the appliance industry in North Africa last year will notice that we've now got a very large roof rack on the back of it. And that's because I was always running short on power. I use air fat fryers when cooking. I also have microwave, Starlink on the vehicle for the communications, and I've only got a 2 kilowatt battery due to weight restrictions. But I decided to do some modifications, and I built a roof rack at the back, and I've actually got 1600 watts of solar on the van now, so I'm having no problem in charging the battery up and keeping all the electrics running, even when I've got weather like this, which is overcast. I've also actually made a very clever table system to give me a workbench to make videos when I'm in remote locations, and that video will be coming up shortly. Now, with regards to the built-in obsolescence videos, I'm amazed how many people are supporting the videos that I'm making on it with regards to the way manufacturers are treating customers like you. And I'll continue exposing as much as I can when I find good content to make on appliances, because the manufacturers are just seeming to want your money more often rather than building quality. Lewis Rossman actually uploaded a video, I think it was today or yesterday, with regards his thoughts on obsolescence as well. There's a fine line between flaws with a machine and obsolescence deliberately built into the machine. And when it comes to the sealed drums on washing machines and the way that manufacturers are conducting their pricing with regards to the spares and electronics, I think that is obsolescence deliberately built in by the manufacturer, so they get you to buy a new washing machine every couple of years. Anyway, I'm going to leave that. That's for when I get down into Portugal, but I thought I'd quickly show you where I am. Now, I've sailed around this point on umpteen occasions, and the sea has always been rough and it's always blowing a storm. And this is Finisterre Lighthouse, which is the most westerly lighthouse in the whole of Europe. It's actually about 3,000 miles to the States in that direction. Up that way, we've got the Bay of Biscay just on the corner here. And then about 400-500 miles is the UK. It might be a bit more. I haven't got a chart to hand. And going down the coast here, basically 2 to 3 days sail. You've got the Straits of Gibraltar and Faro where I'm going. So anyway, my apologies for not keeping up with all the comments. I will be taking a lot more time to catch up on these over the next week or so, and I'll also be catching up with regards to the emails that are coming in where people are needing help with appliances. But I thought I'd just give you a quick update because I've been quite silent for the last week or so with no updated videos, although I have stockpiled a lot of videos to slowly release over the next few weeks. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.